Course B1 P14. Pattern of features by spreadsheet. If the distribution of copies of one or more features does not correspond to a simple pattern, the target positions can also be controlled by a spreadsheet. In addition, parameters of the features can be changed at the respective target positions. In the course, a custom hole is copied using a spreadsheet, positions are changed or deleted and the hole diameter is changed. Create base body. Sketch and extrude the L-shaped angle. Start the hole command and create the first custom hole, 6.5 diameter, at the bottom left. Now, to create the non-uniform distribution of the holes, the target positions are defined using a spreadsheet. Start the pattern command. Select the feature. Select linear as the layout option. Define the direction 1 with the option count and span. The count 3. And a span distance of 100 millimeters. And the direction 2 with the option count and span. The count 2. And the span distance of 30 millimeters. Use spreadsheet. Via the option Use spreadsheet, these entries for the respective directions are entered into the table as start values. After that, the spreadsheet controls the positions of the respective copies. If the option was deactivated later, the positions would be controlled again via the entries from directions 1 and 2. Activate the Use spreadsheet option. Of course, Excel must be installed. The spreadsheet takes over the values from the entries of direction. Likewise the parameter for the diameter. Change entries. Thus, even complex geometries can be copied, and the parameters of the copies can be changed at the target positions. If entries for target positions are deleted, no copies are created either. And as entries are added, more copies are created. Delete the lines that are not needed and adjust the other positions. By an entry in the diameter column, the preset value, the default value, can be changed. No change will be made without an entry. Change the diameter for the upper left hole. Close the spreadsheet to pass the values of the spreadsheet back to NX and click OK. Done. Conclusion. This is how easy it is to specify target positions and parameters for the copies in a spreadsheet. With one limitation. Sizing of threaded holes and through all holes is not controlled by NX by a simple parameter, but by a name that reads all values of a size from a file. Since only parameters but no names may be entered in the spreadsheet, resizing of threaded holes and through all holes is not possible.